Welcome to How to 360 Kitchen Creations. Today, we're making Nutella Breakfast Granola Parfaits. You'll need Greek yogurt, Nutella, your favorite granola, fresh banana, strawberries, raspberries, a drizzle of honey, and mint for garnish. First, make sure your serving glasses are clean and dry. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt into the bottom of each glass. This creates a creamy base. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Nutella. Swirl it into the yogurt for that rich, chocolatey ribbon. Sprinkle a generous layer of granola, about 3 tablespoons, to give it a satisfying crunch. Now for fruit. Press banana and strawberry slices against the glass walls, then drop in a few raspberries for pops of color and freshness. Repeat the same layers, yogurt, Nutella, granola, and fruit, until your glass is full, ending with a sprinkle of granola and some berries on top. Finish with a light drizzle of honey and a fresh mint leaf. The honey adds just the right touch of sweetness. All ingredients and instructions are in the description below. And there you have it. Nutella Breakfast Granola Parfaits that taste as good as they look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious breakfast ideas. See you next time. Happy breakfasting.